is a knife. You've got to be careful with knives that are super sharp. And some big knives cut super hard meat. You can't do it with your hands. Your hands will get yucky. And this is a whisk. And this is a big bowl. Let's begin. Guys, you need to get your pencil and notebook or paper to write your recipe. First, we need to crack the eggs. Let me show you. First, hit it there. Then put it in here. It's gonna be super yucky. Yeah, it's like slime. There. We'll put that over here. And for another. This one is gonna be super yucky as well. Yeah, that was super slimy. Yuck. Now to beat the eggs with the whisk. And stir it, beat, stir, beat, stir, beat, stir, beat. There. I'm going to do the same. There, done. Now it's time to add the salt. Open this. We need a little bit of salt. There. Time to mix it. Mix. I love mixing or beating. Time for 2 teaspoons of sugar. Be careful. There. We need 2 teaspoons of sugar. I'm sorry. There. Time to mix it. Then time to add the milk. Let's put all of this in here. Whoa. It's white now. Whoa, it's super cool. For a pancake, wait, I need to put it there. Stir. Time to put the salt. The flour. We need a spoon. Now we have to add some flour. There. Another. And another. Time to stir. Get this off of the bowl. There. Now mix. Stir. You could call it mix or stir. Stir, mix. There, done. Guys, it's ready. Now it's time to cook. Our pan is hot. Time to pour in the something. Now it's time to touch it. triangle. It's more comfortable to eat it when it's triangle. First, you make a taco shape like this. Then you put